your host, Carissa, and I want to bring you with me as I host an event. Tara!
Alright, what is up, JBC? Isang malakas na palakpakan naman po dyan! This day is definitely a treat for everyone. You guys are here to party, to dance, and I think you are also here to drink. Tama po ba? Right now, since we are all looking snatched, and we are all slaying, we would want to take advantage again of this very moment. That's why we're gonna take pictures right now. There you go! Smile, everyone! Again, thank you so much to Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and JBCX official chairperson Alexander G.S. Munda. And also, we would like to thank, we have additional raffle prizes coming from our Chief Justice. Again, a round of applause, please. The game is telepathy game. I'll be giving you a category at pagbilang ko po ng 3, sabay kayong sasagot. Let's say for example, magbigay ng laging kinakain tuwing breakfast. Pagbilang ko ng 3, magkatalikuran po kayo ng partner nyo. 1, 2, 3, and then say your answer. So again, it is called telepathy game because you have to have the same answers. Then magbigay ng brand ng damit. Brand ng damit.
Uniqlo.
Magbigay ng ulam na may sarsa. Sarsa.
Lechon!
Magbigay ng street food. Street food. Kwek, kwek.
Fishball.
And now, on to our raffle once again. Ako, tuloy-tuloy po. And this time around, we're gonna be picking 20 winners for the small prizes. Okay, closer everyone. Smile. Show your prizes. And of course, later on, we'll have more raffle prizes. Nako, sobrang dami pa nito, guys. Walang uuwi na walang natanggap. Christmas is about having fun, giving, and definitely, grabe yung performance level ng grupong ito. And right now, I hope that you are still hyped because we're gonna have more raffle prizes. We would like to request our band, the Nightbirds Band, together with our dance instructors, of course. Again, this is a party. Dapat lamang may tugtugan at sayawan.
I'll be over with 10, you told me time and again, but you're late.
Too late.
I wait around there.
Thank you so much to our band, the Nightbirds. Question lamang po, baka meron po sa inyong nakawala. I think this is a pendant or baka po meron, makikisuyo lang. It's a heart shape, colored gems, and then may letter G po. Okay, kailangan po natin dito ng 2 grupo at ang 2 grupo ay dapat merong 3 players. Nako, may prize to. Sige po, sinong mga gustong maglaro? Bago kami bumunot, baka meron pong gustong maglaro. We need 2 groups with 3 players each. Bali, ang gagawin nyo po, 2 marshmallows per person. Okay, 2 marshmallow. Pwede nyo pong buksan gamit ang kamay. Once na isubo na po ang marshmallow, bawal na po hawakan. Tapos syempre, wala pong kamay na gamit. Pag nauna po kayo, lahat kayo ay wala ng marshmallow, sisigaw po yung grupo nyo ng Merry Christmas, JBC. Okay, practice nga po. Joke lang. Kailangan matapos at pagtapos ng buong grupo, Merry Christmas, JBC. Ayan na, humahabol, humahabol, humahabol sa pagkain ng ating marshmallow. Parang ang ganda po nila picturean. Ayan, medyo babalik muna po tayo sa pagkabata. Pero this time around, ang laman po ng ating mga feeding bottles ay beer. Wala pa po, wala pa po. Teglit lang, sir. Ganito po ang gagawin natin. Hindi naman kayo paunahan maubos, bibigyan po natin kayo ng 2 minuto. Sa loob ng 2 minuto, kung sino man sa inyo ay mang pinakakonting natira, yun ang mananalo ng 500 gift certificate, 500 pesos cash, at syempre, yung gin. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 35 seconds! Come on, guys! 30 seconds! Last 30 seconds! Oh! And I think we have a winner! Okay, so this time, since we're all dressed up as Gen Zs, ngayon naman po, we will be awarding the main character for tonight. So we will be awarding one male and one female. Ito pong mga kasamahan natin, sila po ang magdedesisyon kung sino po ang mananalo through palakpakan system. Ayan, ang walang kamatayang palakpakan system. Now let us out, Louis!
Calvin Klein, Donna Karen's fashion line, Valentino YSL.
Palakpakan naman po natin! Okay! And right now, palakpakan po tayo kung sino sa tingin nyo ang dapat manalo. Palakpakan para kay EJ! Okay! Ito naman, ibigay nyo para kay Sol! Our main character, female category, Sol San Pedro! Allow me to thank our suppliers for today's Sound Focus, Party Studio, Manila Food Court and Photo Booth, Andres, Manila Catering Services, Nightbirds Band, Susan and Elaine, our dance instructors who will be dancing with you once again. And people, just to remind everyone, life is an event, so make sure that you make the best out of it. This is your host, Carissa, and right now, it's time to party!